Snoring is a medical red flag, and in many cases, it's the sound of a person slowly suffocating. Sleep apnea and snoring, the silent killer. I need to be very direct with you. Snoring is not annoying. Snoring is a medical red flag, and in many cases, it's the sound of a person slowly suffocating. We need to talk about obstructive sleep apnea. This is the most undiagnosed sleep disorder in the modern world. It's estimated that 80% of people with moderate to severe sleep apnea don't even know they have it. You might not remember waking up, but this can happen 30, 40, or even 100 times an hour. That is what apnea does to your heart. The consequences are severe. Because your heart is constantly being flooded with adrenaline at night, sleep apnea is a leading cause of high blood pressure that medication can't fix because you're asleep. Atrial fibrillation, heart arrhythmia, stroke, and even heart attack, type 2 diabetes. The protocol is if you snore, or if you wake up gasping, or if your partner says you stop breathing, you must get a sleep study. If you have it, the treatment, CPAP or a dental device, will not just save your sleep, it will save your life. Do not ignore the sound of suffocation.